create a PowerPoint presentation explaining the assessment. During the presentation, you must use OBS or Streamlabs to record with your camera on. Afterward, upload the PowerPoint and provide a link to your recorded video. Number 1. What is template inheritance in Blade and how can it be used in a real-world application? Allows you to define a base layout, often called a master layout, and then extend it in other views or child templates. This promotes code reuse, modularity, and maintainability of your views. How can blade sections and yields be utilized to manage content in different views? Blades, section, and yields directives are key features for managing content injection and template composition across multiple views in a Laravel application. They are used to define and display dynamic section of content within layouts. How do blade controls structures make your code more readable compared to raw PHP? Blade control structures in Laravel, like if, for each, etc., provide a cleaner, more readable syntax than traditional raw PHP and HTML templates. They eliminate the need for verbose PHP tags and complex nesting, making your views much easier to read and maintain. What is the purpose of the double curly braces syntax in Blade and why is it important for security? Used to display output variables or expressions into the HTML view. The double curler syntax in Blade automatically escapes in HTML, JavaScript, or potentially harmful content. How can Blade's components and slots be used to create reusable UI elements? Encapsulating HTML logic and data into modular units that can be easily included and customized across an application.